Okay mga guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Meron tayong Pajero na 2019 model loaded vehicle. So ayos siyang mag-start. So nakalagay yung ating shifting lever sa neutral. Okay, try natin i-start. Yan. So naka-neutral siya. Ayaw niya mag-crank. Okay. Then try natin sa park. Atikas yung lever. May move sa park. Then wala oh. Di naka-ilaw yung P-indicator lamp sa ating cluster instrument panel. Ayaw din mag-crank. No cranking. Okay, so try mo nating palitan ng inhibitor switch para ma-check yung ibang related problem sa ating sasakyan. Okay, so para ma-start natin, try muna natin palitan ng bagong inhibitor switch. Okay, so meron tayong bagong parts dito. Ito yung ating bagong inhibitor switch na ikakabit mga guys. Yan. So ito yung bago. Okay. So switch off muna natin. Yung CD lock blinking, after na natin idadiagnose yan pagka napaandar natin yung sasakyan. Okay. So yung lever, lagay natin sa neutral para madali natin ikabit yung ating inhibitor switch. Okay. Yan, nasa neutral na. Okay, pisa na natin ang ating video tutorial for today. So yan na kaya neutral mga guys. Try natin i-move yung shifting lever sa drive. Yan, naka-drive na, pero yung sa ating instrument panel sabay na umilaw yung N at saka D. So nagmamalfunction yung ating switch inhibitor. So that's the time na kailangan palitan. Okay, shift natin sa reverse. Okay, shift natin sa park. Okay, wala siyang park, hindi siya umiilaw sa indicator. Try natin sa reverse. Okay, so yung sa park pwedeng lost contact doon sa inhibitor switch, kaya hindi siya umiilaw, hindi nag-illuminate yung P-indicator lamp sa ating instrument panel. Okay, so reverse, neutral. Okay, sa drive, but at the same time umiilaw yung N at saka D. Okay, so confirm na may problema sa ating inhibitor switch. So try natin palitan. We have to lift up our vehicle so that we can actually remove the inhibitor switch. So this is the inhibitor switch. We have We're going to replace. Okay. We have to spray the WD-40. And also the connector there. Okay. We have to put a marking in the shifting cable, the mounting nut, so that we can easily return it back. Okay. Then we're ready to remove this nut and this nut for our manual valve lever bolt. Okay. And after that, this mounting bolt for our inhibitor switch. We're using 14 mm socket and extension and ratchet handle. Okay. Then this one we're using also box range 14 mm so that we can remove this lever for the shifting cable. Okay. Okay, we are using 10 mm to remove the mounting bolts of our inhibitor switch. We remove the bracket of our harness connector of our inhibitor switch. Siya po our manual valve lever. It's already rusty. We have to lubricate with the WD-40. Okay, and we will try to move so that it will move freely the manual valve lever. Okay. It is very hard to move the lever of the manual valve because it is rusty. We have to put some brake fluid so that it can easily move. Okay. Very hard. Okay. Then we will clean afterwards. We will use sandpaper to remove the rust of our manual valve lever. Okay. So that it will move freely. Easy to move the shifting lever of our transmission. After we clean, now very smooth to move the manual valve lever. Okay. Okay, we remove already our switch inhibitor, the old one, and we will fix our new inhibitor. Okay, this is the old one. We already removed. We'll fix the new inhibitor switch. Okay, so this is our new inhibitor switch. We're going to install in our transmission. So this is the part number. We're fixing back the new inhibitor switch. Okay. To install also the wiring harness bracket. Okay. Okay, before we tighten the mounting bolts of our inhibitor switch, you have to insert a pin to make align the inhibitor switch in the proper position, in neutral position. Okay, then we will tighten these mounting bolts. Okay. Okay, before you remove the pin, make sure that the hole of the inhibitor switch and this lever of our manual valve must be aligned before you remove the pin. Okay, so now we've already tightened the bolts of our inhibitor switch. Now we are going to remove the pin. Okay. we will tighten the nut of our shifting cable. We already install in a proper position. That the one we put mark, okay. Okay guys, we already fixed the new inhibitor switch. Now we will try to start our engine. We'll switch on. Okay, so the shifting lever is in neutral position. We'll shift to reverse. Okay, park. Okay, now very smooth to move the shifting lever. Okay, successfully done. Engine is starting after we replace the inhibitor switch. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, share, and hit the notification bell icon so that you can notify in next video tutorial. Thank you and God bless.